Bia also a soldier. Jebi wakansem. Na earlier na me your story be on Ghana Immigration Service.
Yes.
Jebi we say immigration service obi kwa adwuma twice a month.
Ghana
Immigration Service
twice a month.
Yes, hold omo run shift. Obi wa adwuma no kro onya bi nye.
How?
And you recruit migrations. JB Ghana says I wouldn't say last 2 weeks. Tepanko about over 400 pass it out.
Hey.
Abra yenya advert for recruitment.
Military cramatis omo ibi no moko. Omo akwa pass.
Military the Abeka say bi am so omo kwaye American ye do omo to ho na wo mo. JB na pani pa security pani bisam se kofi. And now you walk room way. We didn't say migration for the
87.9.
Asad Obuase as at big last 2 months then migration for Ebro 90.
Wow.
To 120. Obuase migration. This is unam Kumasi Obuase coin swa. No mujejina every China for him.
Can you imagine?
Yes. Omojuma omoye. Just say wobugu office. Yeah, recruit to yeah, recruit to migrations. A recruiter, a recruiter match as a do one akwa ejuma nye ukrimu. Do one enye juma nye. And womu sorry a. Jebi no match atade no makwa kwa jacket ya. Nti a car government abo any ade na obu nyina do one about 90% protocol. 90% protocol. 90% protocol from prisons. Any other na Gabia police force buafu.
Ade.
All chief subtenant our Ghana high yema omo housings.
Chief superintendent.
Yes,
that
subtenant chief super for no.
Oh, okay.
On the abuse for yemrasa aban no twase ema omo edan.
Aye.
Dana edran obu ha edikan bi ote ebi wo Duase, ebi wo affordable housing, ebi wo Miami ahodo, bua edika kwa kosiesie ni dem kura be 2 months. We yi ne niama from last year we siesie mawie. New directors aba obi anyi wo niama mfiri mu. Ye wo ha ne a transfer ofre bia wo dan ne wo no. Na jebi me ne wo kasen. Obi a wa wi a hihye ne window no fittings ne ade nyina no. Ye clear wo mu nyina and order from above. You have no
reason be.
Say
almost say
changes
almost samra no
yes dan no a wotimi no ye do okwa ha and na che say tension abanti ye the dan ma wo mo atrem but eho incomious any ebufuo na they cannot talk welfare police mami Habiba when are in charge of police welfare masa police for wo krum ha wo mo buafu enye krum ha nko dodo no buafu over womo dan a ye provide ama womo na by 4 changes ekoso okrom ha e serious there be prisons for so buafu
womo de kofi so
prisons for say womo housing allowance kwa de bema womo no ye mfa ma wo
the whole Ghana na so Kumasi nko
Asante region prison for nika
kofi the whole
Asante region prison saloon car and senior officer saloon car
Toyota Corolla
say saloon Toyota Corolla saloon car for prisoners say do omachi nyina prison officers kwa no nam fom
Toyota Corolla that be
I tell you say man for dwa in the security the prisons the police and immigration for gu kroma wo mu ne adwuma ye ye besre nana do dan kwa akofuado nana eniema all is not well na soja ni we aka asem we on Niger I want to believe sa brante na sema woka no then let's say class on soja ni he's making sense
Akoma FM 87.9
I want to use this opportunity to say something to our dear Ghanaians, in our barracks here, let me say in our country here, those who are supposed to be in that uniform hanging over there are those on the streets, hustling, battling with depression, and all we have here is protocol babies. Just imagine that. We have our real soldiers on the streets hustling. You know how it feels? Just look at Niger and look at Burkina. Look at the kind of men they are displaying. Look at what they are showing. In Ghana, we have such men. Why aren't we displaying? There is nothing we can do. It's either we stay in our country peacefully, because even if we send 10,000 troops, trust me, no one is going to return back. And that is a fact. You know, our soldiers here are both weak in both physical and spiritual aspects. Let me talk about tactical in combat aspect. They are very weak. You know, we pass through a lot before training them, and even till they pass out, they still gain nothing. They use that uniform hanging there for flexing. Just imagine all this. They go to the clubs, you know, do a whole lot of shit, and you are there thinking they can fight. Nothing they can do. I'm telling you, this is the time we need to recruit soldiers from the streets. The real soldiers are on the streets, and that is a fact. So I'm sending this message to the leaders. This is not the time about education or whatever with certificates. Let's recruit the streets, because the street is a military, and that is where the real soldiers are. I wish you accept this in good ears, because the real soldiers are on the streets, hustling, doing daily hard works. Believe it or not, that is the truth. We are weak in both physical and spiritual aspects. Just imagine we have all our weapons are outmoded. Look at Nigerians, how they went and faced. Even if we send 20, 30,000 troops there, I promise you no one is going to return back. Not even a single soul. So it's better we recruit from the streets, because we get a lot from the streets. A lot of soldiers are on the street. Let's go back to the olden time where military are taken by force. I'm out.
I'm for Abrantena Debbie Wakansam.
I think there is one particular aspect of Kaya I agree with him. You recruit two soldiers from the streets. That I agree with him, 100%.
Ghana, and Mami make this clear. Because Samia Uku and in opposition, I can say even military forms, security forms. Yebe fan free. We be anton. Na protocols dos wo my Ghana ha. And now who police ni pass it out eba for be about 5 to 3 years krano. Training kra onkobi. Jogging, common jogging kra wamu ebebre nkobi. Who police ni bi ne to a sinata diem. Ayi soja ni Emaya ibi ene meme ubehwe no mo se camouflage na omo the boys jinko for guests, and these are serious things, all because protocol all because protocol boys yeah, can what say you have military guys who are always at the club having fun,
which is true.
And Ghana any ambere say Niger watch this guy, yeah? The kind of protocol someone kosu Ghana hano. If we are not careful, share one of the police and the security training and said they are just struggling. Ahoma keka wo so mo osoro no. Ontimi kura nso. And these are serious things. Individuals edi akire e won ne say. Yeah. Therefore, just say yeah parachuting then mo ma ball boba so wa mean just a training crowd wentimi nye protocol ekum Ghana our security hetia what him Debbie who share Facebook page that for why what are we losing in our security? People are angry.